Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Odette. In the video today, I will be showing you how I decorate our house. A lot of the decor I have had it for many years. This has been a 21 years build-up of Christmas decorations, so some of the items I use, they're no longer available in the shops because I bought them many years ago. But if you have any questions or you would like to know about any specific items, just drop me a comment below and I will help the best way I can. Let's decorate. video. Has been a very weird, unprecedented year, and I'm just trying really hard to get the Christmas spirit going. What is not easy. Will not be a Christmas like the ones we have experienced in past years. It's just the way it is. So this will be my last video of 2020. First of all, I want to thank every single one of you that have been following me. I really appreciate. I need your help to take the channel forward in 2021. I need to create more followers, more views. Please do interact. Let me know what you like and you don't like. Let me know what would you like, what project you'd like me to try. If you don't know how to subscribe, if you have a Google account, a Google email, is quite straightforward. I know for people of all age, it can be a bit complicated, all this technology stuff. I struggle with it every day. Ask one of your kids to help you to, to sign up to YouTube so that you can actually subscribe to my channel and give the thumbs up and add comments to it. I would be very, very grateful, because I need to find a way to take the channel forward, take it to the next level. And I can only do that with the help of all of you. What do we have for 2021? Very exciting projects coming up 2021 that I plan to share with you. This wall behind me is going to be demolished in the next 3 or 4 weeks. We are just waiting for Christmas, and once Christmas is over, we will be demolishing this massive wall. Support beams need to go up, so the kitchen is going to be completely redone and shifted around. The layout will change. So all the appliances have now arrived and they are stored upstairs. The kitchen had been ordered and it will be delivered on the 18th of January. So I will be doing a video and explaining all this for you. Not much to say really, just that thank you very much for following me throughout 2020 and this crazy, crazy year we have had. I also want to take this opportunity to wish all of you a very Merry Christmas, Feliz Natal, that we will all try to do it the best we can with the situation we are living in. Our parents have gone through worse. I'm sure we can go through this. And I will see you in the next year, and hopefully 2021 will be a bit better than 2020. Thank you very much for watching and for following me, and I will see you next year. Bye bye.